Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. This short video tutorial will show you how to add or edit PDF document properties and metadata in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your PDF document. Make sure no markup or measurement is selected on your PDF, and go to the Properties panel on the left so you can land on Document Properties, not on Markup Properties. Here, you can add or edit different metadata as file properties, including document title, author name, subject, project, etc. Let's add a few of these and see how they will be implemented. Once you are done, just click the Properties panel to close it, and your document properties will be auto-saved. You can access the same by going to the Document menu and clicking the very first Document Properties option. You can edit these properties here and also add keywords to make your documents easily searchable for desired terms or text. Let's go to the Headers and Footers option and try to select these document properties as header and footer elements. For instance, let's add a header by fetching data from Document Properties. Click the File Data button below. As you can see, the item to insert is set to file name, and it's picking the item value as our file name. Let's change it to Page Title, and it will start showing the page title that we just added in Document Properties. Let's keep it to Author and click OK to continue. We recommend you watch our detailed video on adding headers and footers to your PDF documents in Bluebeam Revu 21. The video will walk you through all the customization options and settings to add meaningful headers and footers to your PDF pages. Once done, click OK to continue. As you can see, our header has been added and it's pulling the author name from our document properties. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.